Page 28, the puppet show. At the top of the page, they're reminding you what a half step is. Half steps are really, really important, so make sure you understand them. A half step is simply the shortest distance between any two notes. On a piano, it's white or black keys. So it's like here, a half step up was here, a half step down is here. If I'm here, a half step up is here, a half step down is here. So it's just the next key, up or down, white or black. That's a half step. For puppet show, we're going to use some of these. Now the importance of half steps will become more clear as we get more into this and we build on this. There's more things to introduce. So for now, just know what a half step is. That's all. Well, for puppet show, it's 4/4 time. Got a bunch of quarter notes. There's a whole note at the end. Let's take it one hand at a time first. In the right hand, we got the thumb on E here. That puts the hand in this position. Now we have an E, F, E, F. Now I'm hoping you know what the names of these notes are. If not, drill yourself. Maybe if you have to, start the book again and go through it again. The names of these notes should be pretty much automatic to you by now. Just you know what they are. Second line, now used here, but notice the G flat. That's since our third finger's on G, we're going to use third finger on the G flat. It's here. It's a half step. And then the last measure of the second line is the last line. You're doing those some more. Oh, isn't this delightful? Left hand, you're starting with the thumb on middle C here. That puts you in this position. Now we're here. C, B, C, B. This sounds good too, don't it? Second line, second measure. That's an A sharp. The A is here. The A sharp is here. You're just going to go here. Use the same finger as for the A. And then here. I can tell I'm going to love this song already. Put the hands together. So thumb is here, thumb is here, okay? And you're starting out with the right hand, and then the left hand gets it. And the next line, you're doing this in half steps. Oh, I have not had enough coffee for this. Like that? So really you're in this position, you're only using these notes. Well, okay. Now we add the articulation. That's the slurs and the staccatos. Lift up between each slur. So here you connect these notes, but lift up before you play the C. Just lift up so there's just a hair of silence in there. And again, lift up. And then the last line, you have that slur and then staccato. So the last line, connect these, then staccato. Just light finger staccato here is fine. You can use wrist if you like because it's going to be loud, and we tend to use larger muscles when it gets loud. So it's fine. You can use a wrist here if you want. Here, because then we add the dynamics. At the beginning it's moderately soft, MP. You'll have to decide what moderately soft is. It's somewhere on the soft side. And you stay that way to the last line, and you see that arrow to get louder. You're going to go up to loud. So each note here can get a little louder. So you have to plan that out or you'll be loud by the third note. So you'll be loud right there. That's too soon. You don't want to get loud to the second measure. So plan it out. So the first one's soft, or moderately soft, then maybe moderately loud here, then loud. There I just changed it every two notes. You're ending it loud there. Speed-wise it says quickly, and again you have to decide what quickly is. It can't be much help how if you were going to sing it. How fast would you sing it? I ain't singing it, but you can. Something like that. It's up to you on that. I would like to play it with you very slowly, and this is after you've learned it. And let's just make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'm just going to do the notes and the rhythms. And we're going to go real slow. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, three, four, off.